Greetings and welcome to another episode with the catalyst of change, Mr. Hemang Jangla. In this episode, we will be talking about entrepreneurship and to sustain it. As far as entrepreneurship is concerned, we only hear about success stories. But what goes behind these success stories, the struggle, the collaborations that is needed, and the tough decisions is what we'll be talking about. We will be talking about entrepreneurs that or entrepreneurship that not only is a starting block, but one that survives the test of time. And to bring us to date on this episode is our catalyst for change, Mr. Hemang Jangla. Hemang has over 35 years experience in merchant banking and investment banking. He has advised on capital markets, restructuring, corporate finance, IPOs, and strategic transactions. In the year 2005, he founded Have More Insurance Brokers Private Limited, an IRDA-linked insurance broking company working across life and non-life insurance. An alumni of IIM Ahmedabad, Hemang is known as a catalyst, someone who sparks curiosity, awareness, action, and change. Deeply involved in social and community initiatives, he believes strongly in uplifting those at the bottom rung of society. His guiding principle and belief is simple but powerful. Never give up until your goal is achieved. Welcome to the show, Hema.
Thank you. Thank you, Prema ji, having me here and in another episode of More into the Corporate World. Thank you.
It's a pleasure having you here. Let's start. Everyone celebrates the glamour of entrepreneurship, but very few speak about the loneliness, uncertainty, and pressure. What does entrepreneurs really demand from a person beyond the business idea?
I think let me start something unconventional because I myself is a first generation entrepreneur, or you can say out and out entrepreneur. I never work as anywhere as for a small stint also as a job somewhere. So I'm like an out and out entrepreneur from day one, and very young age I started my career. So I think for entrepreneur, it's not a question of idea. I think you require first passion. You want to do something. I think rather than idea, because I recollect, because time I young age, very 16, 17, and I'm fascinated about the idea of stock market, and because I used to go with my friend because his grandfather done some transaction. So in those days, you have to give every time to check dene ke jao, share lene ko jao, dene ko jao. You know, there's so many. Those days in 87, 80, 86, 87, I remember. So kuch na kuch kaam hota tha. Obviously, the grandfather become old, so he cannot go to. So he always told my friend, very close friend, and then because my partner also in business all these years. So he always say ki mere saath chalo na, mere saath, you know, like we go together. So because why I'm telling story, because that fascinates something. So entrepreneurship is the end of the day, something has to be fascinated to you, who attract, you know. So ऐसा नहीं बहुत सारे काम थे, but when you go there, that वो shore बाजार का, I don't know whether you may be privy to it, but the people who are born after 90s, so we don't privy to the. It's like fish market. People say कितना आवाज है, how you go. So that noise, voice, that excitement of the people coming out and going to ring, and then a lot of people talking something different, economics, market. So that excite. So I think that excitement, passion, fascinating is a key beach जो बोलते हैं ना. That is entrepreneur. Well, that is a beach of entrepreneurship. So this is my fascinating things. But people have a different ideas. Maybe they go somewhere or something they feel about strongly for something. So I think to become entrepreneur, I think you should feel something strong about something, anything, you know, that cause. और कुछ करना है, मतलब इसके लिए I'm very much fascinating about something. So that start, I think, entrepreneurship. And once you think of something कि okay मुझे कुछ करना है, so entrepreneurship obviously your own, as you rightly said, we give entrepreneur word, but entrepreneur मतलब you are your own. It means if you say entrepreneurship, entrepreneur मतलब you are your own. आप जॉब नहीं करो, आपको खुद का कुछ करना है. So once you start from scratch, तो obviously आपको ही करना है सब. So first and foremost, I think if you want to do something, then first of all you should ready with doing everything your hand. आपको ही करना है. You can't say कि अरे because I am alone, ये नहीं मेरे साथ आया, फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है, फ्रेंड नहीं तो मैं भी करता था. You heard lot of stories. If you आज भी फ्रेंड के साथ आप रहोगे, कोई जॉब कर रहा है, अरे मेरे को फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं किया, फ्रेंड सपोर्ट नहीं किया, तो मैं भी अंबानी होता, अडानी होता. You heard these stories. So end of the day, if you really want to, you have to be bring some maturity कि आपको ही करना पड़ेगा सब चीज. झाड़ू भी आपको मारना है और बॉस भी आप ही हो. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड. सेकंड, I think you should have a strong feeling about dedication. करना ही है, I will not get back. So this is a basic problem what I see in last 10-20 years, because maybe we can talk later on detailing this thing, but I always believe, I think I read somewhere or something, I don't know, you have to burn your ship once you reach your destination. Unless and until you don't have that burning desire to burn the ship when you reach destination, पीछे वापस जाने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है. Unless and until you feel that way, I decided I will sleep on footpath. My parents told me कि मैं जॉब नहीं करूंगा. Absolutely clear. खाना नहीं मिलेगा तो I will sleep on footpath. I am ready. I eat one time. I tell to myself, and I did that. I remember myself and my partner, because my father was in bank, clerk, so some very little money is there. So on stock exchange, we are used to stay in South Mumbai, CB Tank, called very famous area, Sea Ward, and stock exchange market is a fountain. At least for walking 1 hour will take. So you have 1 rupee in pocket. So either you go by bus, you reach there with 2 people, or you are hungry, then you eat something and then walk. You have no choice. I think you better walk. We eat vada pav and limbu sarbat, 25 paisa. 1 rupee we spend, and we walk from stock market to my home. So many days we did that. And so unless until you don't, entrepreneurs require sacrifice, sheer dedication. Unless and until you don't have, don't try. बिकॉज 90% अभी बहुत लोग आ रहे कि अच्छा 3 साल ये करूंगा, बाकी तो जॉब कर लूंगा. ये जब मुझे कोई बोलता है, आई फील देन व्हाई यू डूइंग दिस. नहीं मेरे को शौक है. एंटरप्राइज इज नॉट शौक. मुझे कुछ अपना करना है. एक फैशन, राइट वर्ड फैशन. अच्छा करना तो ठीक है, बट आज नहीं वो 3 साल मेरे फैमिली ने मुझे दिया है, ऐसा कोई बोलता है. मुझे लोग आके बोलते हैं नहीं तो मैं वापस जॉब में चला जाऊंगा. या कोई जॉब करता है, वो मेरे पास आके बोलता है कि अच्छा मैं जॉब में रिजाइन करूंगा, अभी 2-3 साल देखता हूँ, नहीं तो जॉब तो है ही. आई थिंक दैट इज नॉट एंटरप्रेन्योर. लोग को कुछ भी बोले, मेरा फर्म है, यू हैव टू बर्न योर शिप, देन ओनली यू बिकम एंटरप्रेन्योर. अदरवाइज यू आर ओके, यू आर अकोमोडेटिव पर्सन, बिकॉज आप मतलब जहां से यहाँ जंप करोगे वापस, तो यू आर एंटरप्रेन्योर. आपने मौका लिया है, 3 बार चांस लिया, सो जो पार्ट टाइम, तो फिर पार्ट टाइम का ही करो. पार्ट टाइम ही जवाब देगा, वो भी समय भी आपको. सो डोंट प्ले विद द टाइम. यू फील यू कैन मेक डेस्टिनी अ फूल. नो, द डेस्टिनी मेक यू फूल. सो यू टू triumph with the destiny. I think entrepreneurship is you can say now that 12 midnight to trust with the destiny. Same thing, you triumph with the destiny. Entrepreneurship, because आपको अपने को अजमाना है, और कोई भी हिसाब से अजमाना है. Whether you successful maybe in money wise or you achieve something in whatever ways, आपको dedication और passionation होना ही चाहिए. Then you try to become entrepreneur. So you rightly said, आजकल वो हो गया, यहाँ नहीं तो फिर वहां कर लूंगा. Once you say this na, finish. You are no longer entrepreneurship. You are business people type to do something. आप fail हो गए तो वहां चले जाओगे, तो फिर आप मतलब आपने पहले स्क्रिप्ट लिख ली. If when people say like this, no, मुझे लगता है कि आपने पहले ही बोल दिया कि मैं फेल होऊंगा,
I don't know.
तो फिर मतलब ही नहीं ना. Why are you doing? So you understand what I'm
Yeah,
telling that आप पहले ही बोल दिया कि 3 साल में करूंगा, फेल हुआ तो वापस चला जाऊंगा. So that is not entrepreneurship. I think. So fair dedication, and unless and until you don't have that faith in yourself कि मैं कुछ भी करूंगा, I'm ready to sacrifice. First off, very painful path. And if you read the story of everyone, आज जिसकी भी सक्सेस आप बोल रहे हो, if you start his autobiography, it will be the same thing. Whether you talk about Dhirubhai Ambani or anyone, they start very from ground. वो पेपर डालता था, वो पेट्रोल भरता था, वो दूसरा कुछ, वो फेरिया था, वो कुछ लारी में बेचता था. बट शेयर डेडिकेशन, यू नो, दैट्स कि भाई यही करूंगा, बाकी मुझे मैं नहीं करूंगा, बाकी में कुछ भी रेडी टू सेक्रीफाइस. देन ओनली आई थिंक यू कैन slowly become chart path toward entrepreneurship.
Multiple takeaways from that one answer. First, you started with having passion, which is going to be the
Obviously.
bedrock on which entrepreneurship will stand. And then you talked about burning the ships. That goes back to 2000 years ago when Julius Caesar, when he was going for a war, he burnt all his ships so that there could be
You
no
can-
retreat.
exactly.
And when there was no retreat, you had to succeed. And with that, the other thing that you mentioned, you can't be having plan A, B, and C. It has to be only one plan. And part-time effort will get you only part-time results. Beautifully said.
Thank you.
Talking about entrepreneurship, it means taking risks. Are we talking only about risk, or is entrepreneurship about someone who can manage risks better than the others?
I think, as I mentioned in my earlier reply also, entrepreneur, see, risk is also really relative. How I perceive the risk. Like people say, okay, my risk is I need this much money to stay alive. My खर्चा इतना है, इतना पैसा तो मुझे चाहिए ही, मुझे फैमिली के लिए चाहिए, तो ये नहीं मिलेगा तो कोई मतलब नहीं, उतना तो मैं सेव करूंगा. So unless and until you use word safe and entrepreneurship is a inverted word, opposite word है सर ये. Whenever you say I want to play safe, then you averted the risk. और risk नहीं तो
Towards me.
I think one famous, I think वो डायलॉग भी है कुछ हर्षद मेहता का अभी, इसके रिस्क नहीं तो इश्क नहीं. So it's like same, you know, if you don't take risk, and risk also be perceived, I think is a relative term. For me, risk is like doing business. आपके पास कुछ हो ना हो, you take the risk. One thing is very calculated risk. One thing is you find how much damage is. Like it's a different type. Like say for example, me, I always take, see, calculated risk is not a risk at all, I feel. तो फिर सबको मालूम है कैलकुलेटेड, तो वो धंधा होगा ही नहीं ना.
Taking on percentages.
I try, for me and what we done business, I see how much loss damage. If I do this, how much is damage? Say for example, I am trying to do something deal worth of 50 lakhs. I'm just giving figure. मेरा कितना जाएगा इसमें? Like I take 50 लाख का प्रोजेक्ट, if I fail, 10 लाख, दो मेरे पास है क्या?
Stop loss type.
I spend my whole life like this, कि ये मैं चुका सकता हूँ कुछ भी करके. मेरे पास कुछ पड़ा है, सोना बेचूंगा, कुछ भी बेचूंगा, लेकिन 10 लाख दे सकता हूँ क्या मैं? दे सकता हूँ, I go for it. When you think about how much ready to you pay off, so this is तो आपकी ऑनेस्टी भी आ गई, आपकी इंटीग्रिटी भी आ गई. See, this test your integrity, and plus you are successful, you are satisfied because you have taken risk, you have taken decision. At least नया गया तो कोई बात नहीं, नया बना लेंगे. ये भी एक हौसला होना चाहिए कि, बिकॉज बहुत प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि मोस्टली एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप व्हेन यू फेल डाउन, इट इज नॉट दैट, बहुत लोगों ने बोला इसके बारे में कि गिरना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, गिरना कोई गलत बात नहीं है, पर गिर के संभलना, वो नहीं संभलोगे आप, वापिस नहीं करोगे, वापिस करो. आई थिंक वेरी फेमस, आई वांट टू कोट द अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. He very rightly said कि now I know, once he invented electric and the bulb जब लगा, तो he is, जैसे ही वो सक्सेसफुल हुआ एक्सपेरिमेंट, he said one thing, one sentence. Now I know how electricity cannot be made by 999 way. Such a beautiful, in one sentence, he has proved his philosophy, his work. कि मुझे 999 अभी मेरे को एक्सपेरिमेंट ऐसा है कि जो नहीं आता है वो अभी मुझे मालूम पड़ा. So see the such wisdom we have to learn lot of things, you know. एक सेंटेंस में आ गया. मतलब 999 is a failure. तो भी हटा नहीं है. So I think you have to see that कि failure is not because in India or what, I don't know other country का इतना business का I don't know because day to day we don't know. When we abroad also तो we talk, we go for some talk only, one to one only, you know. We don't go for internal how they think and then bit. But mostly in India, slowly what happen, you celebrate only success. Fine, you have to succeed, but end of the day, you celebrate the efforts. कितनी बार आपने मेहनत किया, कितनी बार ऊपर चढ़े, वो भी सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए आदमी को. I think that is one thing, the biggest lacking in India. Otherwise, why our company is not there in first 50, 100? You know, one or two company only. Companies, अब बात कर रहे हैं हम बड़ी, इंडिया इतना बड़ा है, but still the small countries companies are ruling. US companies, European companies are ruling. So same thing, you have to celebrate the efforts people are doing. So I think somewhere down the line, the entrepreneurship is, you know, you to how you should learn how to sustain it. You keep doing it. You require your motivation. Maybe people don't motivate you. Very important. You know, motivation is very important, but sometimes happens, everybody is against you. So you have to be self-motivated. There is the first thing for entrepreneurship is required. You have to be self-motivated भाई. Otherwise, because लोग तो बैठे ही हैं लात मारने को कि मैं तो पहले ही बोला था, ये करना चाहिए, अभी क्या हुआ देखो, ये करना पड़ा, उसका तो ये बिक गया, उसने गाड़ी बेच दिया. You know, this happens in life. Only thing is you have to convict yourself. Whether you have conviction in your thoughts or not, that is more important. If you have conviction in your thoughts, your vision, then go for it and do it. Forget about others.
Nice example that you quoted about electricity, how 999 times that does not happen. There's also another examples of KFC, wherein Colonel Sanders tried more than 1,000 times,
Yeah.
and he succeeded at the age of 65.
Yes.
So that is what we
Same
need
like
to do.
McDonald also, I think he started very old age. Yeah.
Now the success stories that we're talking about in India, more than half a century ago, we have that sterling example of Amul that started as a cooperative movement. In entrepreneurship, is there anything on those same lines that you would like to talk about?
Yes. I think the cooperative movement is a landmark, you can say, one event or episode in Indian history. Obviously, whenever we talk about business and business strategies, then Amul is a brightest example, I think, of cooperative movement. And I think now there are so many cooperative movements. Cooperatives are there as far as perishable items, especially, and for sugar and milk, especially, because cooperative movement cannot be for every product, because different products have a different requirement. But as a concept, cooperative movement is perfect. मतलब क्या, what is cooperative movement? जन भागीदारी. Hindi we say लोगों की भागीदारी. Is end of the day is a company, is a public limited company basically. But more and more we try to make them entrepreneur. The difference between shareholders and cooperative members is same, because in shareholder they are passive. If you're shareholder of one company, you are quasi entrepreneur, no?
Yeah, you are.
You are quasi entrepreneur, but you are passive. क्योंकि और कोई मैनेजमेंट बोर्ड है, वो काम कर रहा है आपके बीएफ में और आपको बताता है हम क्या कर रहे हैं. कोऑपरेटिव में यू बिकम एंटरप्रेन्योर ओनली. आप भी एंटरप्रेन्योर रहोगे ही. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी इन कोऑपरेटिव मूवमेंट. आप कंपनी भी हो और खुद ही एंटरप्रेन्योर हो. सेम लाइक द मिल्क, तो आप खेडूत हो, शेयर होल्डर भी हो, मेंबर भी हो और खुद ही एंटरप्रेन्योर हो ही ना, मतलब यू आर एक्टिव. सो दिस विल क्रिएट, आई थिंक, डेवलप अ लॉट ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप movement, you know. and that is exactly why Gujarat is more entrepreneur people in Gujarat. See, it's not like nothing rocket science. Whenever the cooperative movement give a lot of entrepreneurship mileage to people. So if you see a lot of obviously like Gujaratis and Marathis are bound to do a lot of businesses and jeans. I agreed, but still, as a state, they take as a cooperative as a theme. Once you give an example of Amul, and today Amul is like, I think they are selling what 1 lakh crore company today, and with sale revenue is up by, I don't know, mind-boggling.
It is.
This thing, and it's a golden chapter in our history, cooperative
Yeah, it is.
movements. And I think looking at that, so many cooperative movements, cooperative is there in across India now. Though I think Karnataka is the second best example in cooperative movement. Maharashtra obviously
Is
is there for banking cooperative. There's so many cooperative finance companies and finance banks, cooperative banks. Obviously, there is a plus point, there's some minus point also. But in all, if you say as a cooperative, if you follow properly, and there is a good, good one institute as a cooperative. But it should be now in current days. There's sort of rules, regulation, lot of loopholes, and a lot of things to be seen. So you have to see with this cooperative, if you do some with cooperative, so everything fall in right place. Very important, because see this example you take, but so many things change. Everything changed. So you cannot say कि भाई अमूल हुआ है तो आप भी होंगे. अमूल is a history है, and then lot of things you always say the leader was right. We always remember the Korean. Doctor. So leaders was right, time was right, people maybe that time go. So for cooperative, everything has to be right because it's the people who are entrepreneur. In company, okay, management has to be right. बाद में जवाब दोगे ना, मैनेजमेंट बोर्ड अच्छा होना चाहिए पहले तो, वो तो पासिव है शेयर होल्डर में. बट इन कोऑपरेटिव एवरी पीपल शुड बी राइट, बिकॉज समवेयर सम द लाइन, बिकॉज दे ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स. समथिंग कुछ गलत हो गया तो इट विल इम्पैक्ट होल प्रोडक्शन, होल कंपनी डैमेज. सो अमूल इज अ गुड, but they also have ups and downs in product. They are good in milk, they try others also, they fail also. They fail also. I get very good example. And about the Dhara, so they started so many things. Then they understand कि भाई नहीं, मतलब once you focus on milk related items, you are good in that. So they try to see in oil also, if you remember. And Dhara, that advertise company आती थी, वो जलेबी लड़का भाग जाता है, क्या बनाया, जलेबी बनाई है. I think 30 years back, 25-30 years बड़े होंगे. So I talked to one marketing manager. He was taking the case studies in Ahmedabad when I was there. So he tells me why we also fail. We also fail sometimes, and then we understand we are whatever we good in milk related things. So they only developed then they started the stores, but only the milk related items. They try other, they fail. So, but only thing best, because they say that only Dhara by default is successful because of their advertisement. Something that will connect. But then with Dhara, we sold as a not Amul product, independent. Then only sold, and this advertisement we positioning proper way, they can able to successful. But not now anymore. But those days Dhara is only one example we give कि भाई एक lead से हटके ही ये successful हुआ. Otherwise they also have ups and downs.
So basically you're saying that you need to be sticking to your core strength rather than trying to diversify, which might backfire.
Maybe.
Let's move to the present time, where you find a lot of startups have failed, valuations have come down, and funding is scarce. Does this make the entire environment as far as entrepreneurship is concerned more healthier?
I actually, to be honest, if you ask me, this concept of startup, I don't understand still. मेरे को अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर. जो भी है, maybe people may understand. मतलब you have dream at the night. सुबह आप बोलोगे मुझे आइडिया है, मुझे ये करना है. Is it entrepreneurship? I don't think so. So today what happened? No, like 1-2 example you have said. अरे एक हो गया है मतलब 10 साल पहले 15 साल पहले देन दिस होल इकोसिस्टम स्टार्टेड ऑफ स्टार्टअप कॉल्ड स्टार्टअप एंड पीपल आर सेइंग अच्छा इसमें ही पैसा डालना है, मतलब एवरी स्मॉल बिग एनी इन्वेस्टर अच्छा स्टार्टअप बट व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्टार्टअप? इज नथिंग बट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. So unless and until you don't follow the rules of entrepreneurship, whatever you call the name, it bound to collapse. पहले तो ये समझ लो कि एंटरप्रेन्योर का रूल तो आपको स्टार्टअप बोल के आप अलग नहीं कर सकते हो. Which they try to do. I'm giving the answer. See, don't understand what I'm. स्टार्टअप बोल के अलग करने को गए आप कि पैसा किसी का लेते हैं, मुझे आइडिया है कुछ तो मैंने वो प्रेजेंट कर दिया, ऐसे ऐसे होगा विदाउट रिसर्च, विदाउट खुद का कुछ करे बिना 2-5 लोग को बोला बिकॉज फैंसी है तो किसने आपको पैसा दे भी दिया एंड यू डिड दैट. इट इज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप नथिंग बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट, आपको आइडिया खाली आया है कोई आज, यू हैव समथिंग आइडिया बट यू डोंट वर्क, यू डोंट फील पैशनेट अबाउट दैट वर्क. इस पे क्या आएगा, आउटकम क्या है, आपने कुछ सोचा है क्या? लाइक आई गिव वन एग्जांपल ऑफ से वन स्टार्टअप हैज स्टार्टेड, आई थिंक इलेक्ट्रिकल और प्लम्बर और ये सब का बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, ठीक है. तो बोले हमारा स्टार्टअप है, दे विल कम टू योर होम एंड देन ठीक पंखा है ये सब घड़ी उसके लिए आदमी आजकल आता नहीं. तो वन इन मीटिंग वन आई एम गाइस, यंग गाइस, दे जस्ट पास आउट, दे कम टू मी एंड they come to me, sir, हम लोग मतलब we have program like in May where first second standard in I am Ahmedabad, तो पहले second year में जो पढ़ते हैं वो बच्चे और हम मिलते हैं like you know mentor type of things. So they come to me and say कि सर हम ये स्टार्टअप सोच रहे हैं करने का, हमने सब प्लान कर लिया, we are doing that, how you feel? Very good, fine. क्या करोगे? बोले नहीं, say for example वो पंखा नहीं चल रहा है तो हम आके करेंगे उसका, ठीक है, कितना पैसा लोगे? बोला हाँ वी चार्ज ओनली 200 रुपीज. से आई आस्क क्वेश्चन, से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ फैन इज नॉट वर्किंग एंड सम मशीन्स का कैप बिगड़ गया, कहाँ से लाओगे? बोला हाँ मार्केट से लाएंगे. मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं है? बोला हाँ नहीं है तो 8 दिन होगा, तो क्या करोगे? बोला तो नहीं रुकेंगे. तो व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द नॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रिशियन एंड यू? प्रॉब्लम क्या है? यू हैव लॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप ऑफ मैकेनिक, व्हाट विल यू डू डिफरेंटली? व्हाट विल यू मेक मोर कंफर्ट और रिड्यूस द पेन? सी एंड ऑफ द डे एनी सॉल्यूशन, सी एंड ऑफ द, लोग आजकल क्या बोलते हैं, फाइंड द प्रॉब्लम एंड देन यू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन, राइट? प्रॉब्लम क्या है समझो पहले और बाद में सॉल्यूशन दो. तो सॉल्यूशन आप क्या दोगे कि इफ कस्टमर मतलब एज अ पीपल, या तो आप पेन रिड्यूस करते हो उसका जो भी है, या तो उसको कंफर्ट देते हो, मोर कंफर्ट. लाइक एग्जांपल अभी जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वो क्या करते हैं, दे गिव अस कंफर्ट, बटन दबाया आ गया, बटन दबाया आ गया, दे गिव कंफर्ट. बाकी कुछ और नहीं करते ना. हम जाते थे वहां पे, उसके बिना हम घर पे मिलता है, रिजनेबल में मिलता है, आई एग्री, तो दे गिव मोर कंफर्ट टू अस. बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है, चीज तो वही है, बट दे आर गिविंग कंफर्ट टू अस. That's why their platform is famous, because वो मेरे घर पे पहुंचाती है, तो that gives me comfort. बाकी वैल्यूएडिशन कुछ नहीं है. मतलब जो चीज ये कब मुझे भेज रहे हो, ये कब, या तो मैं दुकान में लेकर 100 रुपया है, वो क्या करता है वो 80 रुपये मेरे घर पे पहुंचाता है, फाइन, गिविंग मी कंफर्ट, तो ओके फाइन. बट से फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो इलेक्ट्रिशियन है, वो भी सेम करने वाला है, उसके पास भी सामान नहीं है तो वो भी वेट करने वाला है, तो तुम भी वेट करने वाले हो, तो व्हाट इज वैल्यू एडिशन? सो हियर द प्रॉब्लम अराइज, प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट unless and until you don't see the what is the outcome and how it's helped the people end result. So आइडिया से काम नहीं चलेगा सर. इसमें आइडिया सिर्फ आने से कि mechanic.com और ये .com और वो .com होने से कुछ होता नहीं है. You have to be the consequences and keep asking question why. Unfortunately, the maximum people don't ask question why. Keep ask why. क्यों लेगा वो, क्यों लेगा? प्रॉब्लम हो गया नहीं आए तो मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगा? What the value addition I am doing? What the more comfort I am providing to the customer? Why he to take my advice? Why he take my service? I ask this question कि मेरे से क्यों लेगा? I am not some hero. मेरे पास आने का. Not I am a big politician. मेरे पास लोग आएंगे. तो you have to create that value or idea कि why people ready to take your service. आप अलग क्या करके दोगे? Either you do new things or you do same thing differently. See, you two way, right? Either you develop something new. नए चीज किया आपने. एप्पल का फोन आया, इसका फोन आया, समथिंग न्यू, इनोवेशन. या तो you do innovation. Fail or success secondly matter. Either you do innovation, new product, new create, develop new market, or you do the same thing but differently, right? Like platform doing same thing differently. प्लेटफॉर्म में जब बाय करते हो तो यू आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग. बाय सेलर मार्केट ही है. यू शुड डू डिफरेंटली बिकॉज आप डायरेक्टली भेजते हो. बस दैट्स ऑल. मैं इटली में जाके खाता हूँ या डायरेक्ट मंगाता हूँ, उसके बजाय आपने यहाँ मेरे को दे दी घर से. सो यू डू समथिंग डिफरेंटली तो वो चलेगा आपका. लेकिन आप दोनों में से कुछ नहीं करोगे और बोल रहा है नहीं दिस इज मेरे का आइडिया है कि आई वांट टू बिकम अ ऑनलाइन. इज ऑनलाइन इज इनोवेशन? Is online is a startup only? I don't think so. Startup was a new idea. You have to be passionate about it. You have to give a lot of thoughts on that. आपको logic develop करना पड़ता है. You have to see the sample, research, or why, keep question why, and then you talk to someone, and then you try to take money. And money also, in our time, I think nobody is ready to give money. Why should? तेरा business है भाई तू कर. But today, like fancy हो जाती है वो idea के आसपास. You take money, people also give money. But where is accountability? Startup money की accountability कुछ नहीं. अरे 1 करोड़ इकट्ठा क्या गया तो गया खत्म. And unfortunately, or maybe I don't know, this investor also taken for granted कि हाँ मैं 10 में डालूंगा, 2 में करूंगा, 8 पे नहीं होगा. I don't know, but I'm not agree to all this ecosystem of this thing. Maybe I'm wrong or right. I don't know. But day one I don't understand this thing because you see only 4-5 companies, namely big companies of startup, 10 companies, 100 companies. There's a lakhs of companies. उसका पीछे कॉपी करते करते बर्बाद हो गए. करोड़ों रुपए चले गए इन्वेस्टर के, खत्म हो गए. वो कोई नहीं देखता. जो पेन है इन्वेस्टर का पेन है या जिसने चालू किया उसका भी पेन है. कहीं ना कहीं चलो उसने भी कुछ न किया है, मे बी एफर्ट्स तो किया बट हाफ हार्टेड किया, जो भी किया या मैं तो जेन्युइन भी किया बट बिना समझे किया, या कोई दूसरा प्रॉब्लम है, रेगुलेशन का प्रॉब्लम आ गया. समडे यू डिसाइडेड डू समथिंग, सब हो गया, बाद में मालूम पड़ा रही है तो अलाउड ही नहीं है. तो ऐसा नहीं होता ना. आपको मतलब एक एंटरप्रेन्योर मतलब आपको सब करना पड़ेगा भाई. फिर प्रॉब्लम है स्टार्टअप में बस कर लिया, बाकी कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा. हो कैसे जाएगा? रूल्स रेगुलेशन है, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज क्या है, और मेन थिंग सबसे बड़े आगे आप यू हैव टू डेवलप योर विजन. आपको वो सोचना ही पड़ेगा 2 साल 3 साल 5 साल के बाद क्या लग रहा है आपको, बिकॉज यू आर डीलिंग विथ सम पीपल्स मनी. हाउ कैन यू हैंडल केयरलेसली? Nobody cares about somebody's money now. Nobody. If I see, I don't know why these all companies say 1,000 crore loss, 2,000 crore loss. Still, you're burning money. You very proudly say we are burning the money. We are burning है, अभी burning stage पे है. क्यों burn करना है भाई आपको? क्या growth story है उसमें? क्या valuation किया आपने? Only thing is you develop your platform. I understand your platform is fine. आप platform बड़ा करते हैं तो okay. Your strength is more और जो भी है, but you burn this thing. So only you can see example of 4-5 companies जो successful हो गए burn करने के बाद. But there is 1,000 of companies वो burn ही हो गए, company खत्म हो गया. And that's exactly answer to reply to your question. Then money is gone, this burn, money gone, everything gone, done, खत्म.
Taking that forward, we celebrate a lot of unicorns that have come up. But many of these companies that fail, they are busy without realizing that they are not going anywhere. What are the first red flags that you would suggest which will ensure that these companies put a stop and stop burning cash?
See, as I mentioned to you, you have idea, right? First of all. So first, obviously, you require mentor. And unfortunately, the mentor or maybe which type of mentorship you want to take, I don't know. You have to take mentor very traditional convention mentor चाहिए आपको. सेम आएगा तो फायदा नहीं है. तो एक्चुअली ऑपोजिट चाहिए. The problem is we take mentor what we suit to us. You know, हाँ करे करना चाहिए ठीक है वो 50 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट 20 करोड़ बर्न होगा चलेगा ठीक है आई एग्री बट अनलेस एंड until your thoughts is not challenged how can be proved मुझे ना बोलने वाला तो कोई चाहिए ना devil's we call devil's advocate
Yeah.
so unless and until you don't have opposition how can you prove yourself but today everyone don't nobody want opposition कि मैं जो सोच रहा हूँ वो सही है I meet so many companies in my we are doing IPO so I meet so many companies everywhere you know so I just ask question after some question no there's so many companies अरे नहीं हमने जो बोल दिया वो ठीक है we know our business अरे you know your business then why you coming for equity say for example sir मेरा एक ही simple question है आपसे is your business yes you do your way do आपको जो नहीं बताना है मत बताओ but if you want money from someone you have to give answer very more about transparency so मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये somehow people has to see that कि what is outway outcome कैसे इसको करे और पैसा बंद हाँ तो ऐसा ही there is no right or wrong answer कहाँ बंद करो but it's a red flag if you can ask me you can see कि भाई you are consistently doing something और कुछ नहीं हो रहा है so दो बात हो सकती है either your idea is not workable या तो लोगों के पास आप गए नहीं हो properly या तो you are ahead of your time ऐसा भी हो सकता है which is happens in my business also why lot of ideas I started ahead of time maybe तो भी failure आ सकता है ऐसा नहीं है it depends on you can adjust you can innovate again you can rethink adoption the key things and unfortunately we are not very fast adoptive people in India होता है चलता है ये ऐसे ही होगा we have to take decisions say for example something going on same thing burning you have to stop somewhere and do something new things stop आपको डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा उसका और वो हम लोग क्या करते हैं आज 6 महीने बाद लेते हैं साल के बाद आज now because power of now is more important and this people don't understand the power of now बोलते हैं हाँ 6 महीना और खींचते हैं ना देखते हैं ना क्या है क्या नहीं stop it start new problem is people afraid and this सब पे लागू पड़ता है मुझे भी लागू पड़ता है to start again I always believe कि हम वापस शुरू करेंगे ठीक है but people afraid of starting the scratch I have done at least 4-5 times of scratch मतलब करोड़ों रुपए थे दूसरे दिन मतलब 10 रुपया भी मेरे खिस्से में नहीं है हैपन 3-4 टाइम्स यहीं से ही करेंगे बट करेंगे यही यहीं रहूंगा मैं जॉब नहीं करूंगा या कहीं जाऊंगा नहीं आई स्टे हियर ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम डेट इज ऑल्सो मेरे टेलीफोन का बिल कट गया इनकमिंग चालू था तो आई सिट देयर आई पिक अप द फोन और से कहा मैं यहीं हूं आई एम हियर सो आई थिंक दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट यू टू टॉक टू योर सेल्फ आई एम हियर एंड आई विल कम बैक keep calling I will come back मैं वापस आऊंगा unless until that not burning desire you cannot have that feeling about entrepreneurship और कुछ करना है तो automatically वो जवाब देता ही है your destiny or the people also look at through see through it that feeling energy also come up that way
taking this forward many a times a startup reaches a level where it is sustainable but for the founder he has reached a level of his incompetence or competency, wherein it is required that he get professional management to run the company. What is your take on it? Does it happen or does the founder not want to give away control?
I think someone very wisely said, I don't know who said it, the people should employ more intelligent person than him. But I don't know how many companies are doing it. It's very difficult to do that. But I think you have to employ them because it is very important. unless and until you don't induct a fresh blood or the thought process. Because I firmly believe Jack Walsh in the biography, autobiography I read of G. Electronic. He said everything has to be changed in 20 years, bad or good. Because what is the thought process he try to understand? Because दुनिया चेंज हो गई होगी, तो अच्छा भी है वो भी आपको चेंज करना है, क्योंकि आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड इज चेंज. सो अच्छा भी कोई आपकी एक्टिविटी चालू है या खराब भी है, बदलना ही चाहिए. So I always believe any institution, anywhere has to change after 20 years. But that is 20 years for 20 years back. Now तो मुझे लगता है कि 15 साल में चेंज होना चाहिए. 10 साल 15 साल में you change everything. Otherwise you are lost. Okay? See, try to understand. You see the conflict. क्या बोलते हो? Boomer, millennial, alpha, Gen Z. क्यों गैप है? Because the thought process is change. So unless and until the बाहर का thought process change हो गया, आपका वही है, तो conflict होगा ही ना. Let's now business. Why corruption happen? It's a simple thing. Why corruption happen? The business way of business, everything is change. Government don't change. Don't they understand कि मैं change करूँगा तो business चलेगा. Let me stay where I am. मेरे regulation change नहीं करूँगा. Let them. They know मेरे पास आएगा ही. पैसा मिलेगा. सिंपल है. मतलब you stop growing because you are authority. World is growing. मैं तो यहीं बैठा हूँ. मैं चेंज नहीं होता हूँ. I don't do change because I have a vested interest in that. So this is a conflict, and conflict gives rise of power, corruption. फिर होगा ही. तो it's like no, very natural है. So any organization, anything, unless until you don't change, कि वो परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है. तो what is change is a constant. Only one phenomena. I have to change. कितना भी अच्छा हो, एक इंस्टीट्यूट का प्रेसिडेंट भी हो, 10 साल अच्छा काम किया, बदलना ही चाहिए, चाहे कितना भी अच्छा हो. क्योंकि यू नेवर नो कि दूसरा आएगा, वो ज्यादा इंप्रूव करेगा शायद. सो आई थिंक दैट इज मोर, यू कीप चेंजिंग and then you only keep with the world, keep up with the what happening in world, because thought process change, world change, and you have to keep up with the world. No, आप ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते हो आज के टाइम में, यू आर अलूफ, मैं तो मेरा करूंगा, हम तो ये बिलीव करते हैं. नहीं चलेगा. लोग चेंज हो गए. सी द आफ्टर, यू कैन सी द लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस आफ्टर कोरोना. 360 डिग्री चेंज.
True.
क्या करोगे आप?
So the only
मेरी ये
constant-
ब्रांड धरी की धरी रहेगी. नोबडी टॉक अबाउट ब्रांड नाउ, दे टॉक अबाउट प्लेटफॉर्म. वो जो मिलता है वहां ले लो भाई. हैव यू थिंक कौन से ब्रांड का आता है? नहीं.
True.
नहीं. एक्सेप्ट द एलिट 10 ब्रांड्स, दैट इज ओके. हमारा काम का नहीं है. हम तो 99% जो है उसके काम की बात करेंगे ना. फॉर्च्यून लाइज विद द बॉटम ऑफ पिरामिड.
Yeah, it does. It
Prahlad,
does. It
yeah.
does.
So end of the day, we are all normal people. We talk about our people normal. Forget about 1% the elite people.
So talking about the 99% that you mentioned now, suppose your son or a daughter comes to you saying, I don't want to take a 9 to 5 job. I want to start a business. In the present scenario that we are in, what would your advice be?
कुछ मीठा हो जाए. काश ऐसा हो. I always believe, obviously, Allah welcome, because my father has teach me. I always obliged to, obviously our parents, we always obliged to them, but always remember, because my father is in bank, so and he faced a lot of hardship because transfer hota hai, and lot of travel, because he sacrificed, because his last transfer to Bhiwandi, and in those days Bhiwandi is like reaching to moon. And is it true? He always told me कि in 4 years he traveled 3 times Earth to moon. किलोमीटर जितना होता है उतना उसने ट्रैवल किया है 3 times. उतने किलोमीटर he passed, because from South Mumbai to reach the Bhiwandi. But then, so he's in the hardship, because then you don't come to that, because not good for residents those days. So he's in the hardship maybe, because in family nobody has done business. My uncle is also in banks. my two uncles also abroad. They are also in banks there, US. And he also, uncles in bank. And grandfather also doing accounting job, Gumasta, you can say. And my uncle's son is also started with doing job only in stock market, but he's doing job. But he told me, my father told me, कि भी तुझे job नहीं करना है. One thing is very much. I was very sure from age of 10. I think लोग 20-22 को सोचते हैं, but I think I remember as age of 10 I was clear in mind कि मुझे business ही करना है. I was very clear, that clear. And after SSC only, I remember the SSC 2 days I just relax. And third days, my father in the morning, he just wake me up, अभी का भी उठो, बहुत हो गया, 2 दिन आराम कर लिया, go to work, काम ढूंढो, कुछ भी, part time तो part time, 2 महीने के लिए. And first job was my as a delivery boy at the Princess Street Book. I used to take a book and वो time पे तो net था नहीं ना.
Physical copy.
So I was physical copy. And this company is this bookseller is famous for that book, that export import handbook manuals you have seen, the Exim and then chemical. So good book, malab, all the important book is costly.
And all volumes, different
volumes. So across the Mumbai, they got order and I have to deliver. So my first job for 2.5 months after SSC, as a delivery boy, morning I go to shop and then they give me the list. Okay, भाई ये निकाल, तो मेरे को निकालना भी था. शॉप से वो यहाँ से निकालो, वहां से निकालो, में ऐड भी करना था, बैग में भी डालना था और लेके जाना है सब बुक्स. मतलब मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग प्रोग्राम सेट, यहाँ से कौन सी बस में जाना है, क्या जाना है. एंड देन तो फर्स्ट जॉब इज स्टार्टिंग, कहीं से भी चालू करना चाहिए. सो इफ आई देन दिस इज ऑल्सो माई एडवाइस, इफ यू इफ मैं ऐसा सोचता था, मैं आज बोलता हूँ कि भाई मैं, अरे ये तो डिलीवरी बॉय का काम है, आई टेक ऐसे, अरे मुझे मुंबई के रास्ते जानने को मिले. इफ आई डोंट टेक दैट पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, देन आई गोज इन डिप्रेशन. पहले ही टूट जाता मैं, क्या ये काम है, कहाँ है ये, आ गया मैं. एंड द कंपनी जिसका शॉप था वो मेरे कजिन थे, मम्मी के, ऐसा नहीं कि कोई बाहर के थे, लोग क्या काम करवा रहे हैं मेरे से, तो कजिन भाई थे. बट आई थिंक आई एम थैंकफुल टू देम ऑल्सो कि भाई ही डिडंट से कि भाई ये मेरा भांजा है, डिलीवरी करो भाई, जो काम करो. सो आई थिंक एटलीस्ट दोज डेज आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर कि भाई ECG क्या होता है, ECGC ये मुझे मालूम पड़ा. वो वेरी यंग है, 16, आई कैन एबल टू टेक ये कौन सा बिल्डिंग है, कहाँ कैसे टेलेक्स होता है. आई टू डू टेलेक्स. तो 17 those days, maybe some people don't relate to it, but you understand, I can able to do the telex. पहले तो था ही नहीं communication, and I also understand a lot of terms. So in a way, I think a lot of experience come handy when you do something. That you should remember.
So saying कि sustainable entrepreneurship is not only growing the fastest, but being able to endure longer. And what gets built is one that needs to be sustained. Thank you very much for this conversation.
Thank you very much.